Once I've completed all of my revision and attended all lectures, I take a short journey 150 yards up the road to the Animal Care Unit. The Animal Care Unit is home to various small and large mammals, invertebrates, birds and reptiles. The Animal Care Unit is where all of my handling and husbandry lectures are carried out, and as you can see from the videos, the opportunities here are endless. Next is lunch, and Usk College is a 5-minute commute away from Usk Town, so here's me travelling there for my lunch break. To finish my day at Usk, I travel to our 296-acre working farm for my ecology lecture. The opportunities given to us at Usk are incredible. Here's me attending the animal welfare trip to India in 2023. My higher education goal was always to study vet nursing, and Usk has given me the skills to move forward with this. Thank you for watching.